Today I'll teach you how to bind DataGridView using Entity Framework in Windows Forms application. As you can see, the customer entity data model has been created. For more information on how to configure Entity Framework in Windows Forms application, please refer to the video on the right hand side. So let's start. Now I am adding DataGridView to the form. Let's move to the code behind. We'll start by adding some namespaces. So the very first namespace is system.data, then system.link. Now inside the form.event handler, I am creating an object of Northwind entities class. I'll be making use of link query to select records from the customers table of the Northwind database. So as you can see, I am fetching the data from the customers collection of the entity framework. And it is assigned to the data source property of DataGridView. So with this we complete our programming part, and now it's time to run our project and see it in action. As you can see, the DataGridView is populated with data. So with this we come to the end of this video. Today we learned how to bind DataGridView using Entity Framework in Windows Forms application. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.